Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon and warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us for today's live webinar. I, Dr. Nouri Fatima, student of third profession of Government Nizamiya Tibbi College, honored to anchor this session and request the audience to pay keen attention. Today we are presenting scope of research in Unani medicine, growth, career opportunities. Before going ahead, as many of us know that drug development of natural products include various steps starting from identifying the right plant, extraction, bioanalysis, quality, standardization. In the context of global growth of natural product utilization, the Unani medicine is facing some challenges that needs to be understood and addressed to serve the patient community for better health, available even in the common man. Today our session is aimed to address the current scenario of Unani medicine and understanding to scope, growth, challenges, and career in the specialized field. Before going ahead, I would like to begin the webinar with Khirat-e-Kalam Pak. For this, I would like to call Dr. Barira Shamim, BUMS. She has joined us from Saudi Arabia. I would like to call Dr. Barira Shamim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself, Dr. Barira Shamim, BUMS. I have joined from Jubilee, KSA. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لقد صدق الله رسوله الرؤيا بالحق لتدخلن المسجد الحرام إن شاء الله آمنين محلقين رؤوسكم ومقصرين لا تخافون فعلم ما لم تعلموا فجعل من دون ذلك فتحا قريبا هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره كله وكفى وكفى بالله شهيدا محمد رسول الله والذين معه أشداء على الكفار رحماء بينهم تراهم سجدا يبتغون فضلا من الله ورضوانا صدق الله العظيम. शबा बरीरा, आपने इस प्रोग्राम का बहुत अच्छे अंदाज से आगाज किया है। इस कलामत पाक से हमारा दिल मुनव्वर हुआ है। तलाश इल्म तो पहुंच गया कहां से कहां तक जहां में, तलाश दिल तो पहुंच गया कहां से कहां तक जहां में। बता तो सही वो कौन सा सबक है जो खुदा ने नहीं दिया कुरान में। बता तो सही वो कौन सा सबक है जो खुदा ने नहीं दिया कुरान में। Thank you, Bhatta. With this wonderful beginning, let us proceed further. Without much delay, I would like to invite Dr. Wasim Tabassum, Jamia Millia Islamia and Vice President of HUMO to give a speech. Dr. Wasim Tabassum.
Wasim Tabassum, PhD scholar, Jamia Millia Islamia. I welcome you all and all who have joined for today's live session on the scope of clinical research in Unani medicine, growth and opportunities. Clinical research deals with the study of new and existing medical treatments that can make all the difference when it comes to saving people's life or improving their quality of life. Not only do clinical trials deals with new drug and devices, but they also tackle the diseases that were previously thought incurable. Clinical research and clinical trialism provide a platform for achieving greater efficiencies in applying medical discoveries to clinical practice for the better healthcare reachable to humankind. There are abundant job opportunities, not only for the trained medical, pharmaceuticals, paramedical professionals, but also for the project management staff, regulatory authorities, government, and at large in the society. With the inflow of multinational players in Indian clinical research, the industry is poised to grow exponentially and open up new class of employment for a large number of people. Today, we are privileged to join together to know more about the industry growth, scope, and opportunities to different medical and allied medical students from the industry expert speaker, Mr. C.S. Mujibuddin, founder and CEO of Unison Research Private Limited. I'm very glad today to announce an overwhelming response from the Unani fraternity. They have joined us with more than 400 plus registrations from across different colleges of India and from abroad, with more than 75% being the students and around 25% of the faculty and head of the departments. I would like to offer my sincere thanks to our chief guest, Dr. Mohammed Hassan Khalil sir, and our guest sir, Mujibuddin sir, and also convey my thanks to my fellow FUMO friends who have initiated this event, and with kind support of Clinisol, will be presenting today the topic of the most awaited topic, that is the scope of clinical research in Unani medicine, growth and opportunities. With this, I would like to conclude and please stay connected to our webinar. Hope you will all like it. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Dr. Wasim ma'am. We need your support to make this event fantastic. Now, I would like to request Dr. Asma Sultana ma'am, MD General Medicine, General Secretary of HUMO, to give an introduction of HUMO and address to this section. Dr. Asma Sultana ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Dr. Asma. I welcome our today's chief guest, Professor Dr. Ehsan Farooqi sir, and our chief speaker, Mr. Mujib sir, CEO and founder of Clinisol Private Limited. Before moving further in our today's webinar, let's have a brief glance for the various activities of HUMO. So kindly let me share my screen first. Feminine Unani Medical Organization, it has gained its fame through a name FUMO. Founded by a few core female Unani doctors with a vision of new creation, new transformation and nurturing of the society. It is basically for the feminine gender of Unani fraternity founded by the female doctors. It was established and registered in the year 2013, and under this banner, we have run many government projects and medical camps. It's absolutely a non-government, a non-aided organization with an aim to enlighten the work of Unani females, to bring out the ruling quality of every woman, which is hidden behind the curtains of various hurdles, to give them opportunity to put their efforts together towards upliftment of the system and to represent their works without any restrictions. We have laid down our first step by launching its brochure at GNTC through Dr. Ehsan Farooqi sir. Annual session took place on its 1st February 2020, where we have felicitated retired lady lecturers of Unani system as a Lifetime Achievement Award and to renowned female physicians as well. Our projects were, we have taken many projects on our hand. We have conducted free medical camps in various areas of Hyderabad. In these camps, we have given free consultation by our experienced physicians along with free distribution of medicines. We know well that the whole world is going through pandemic, COVID-19. The FUMO has taken another initiative to distribute the free food and grocery packages among needy in the month of Ramadan. FUMO has launched online medical tutorial, first of its kind for all Ayush students to take digi classes on various subjects of medicine. To keep updating medical graduates and practitioners, we have started series of webinars, giving them the learning platform to showcase their capabilities on digital screen. So we have conducted the series of webinars on various the dates, and it was just not an opportunity to the teachers, but also to the students to represent the capabilities. We have called the students from various Unani Medical colleges to on the same platform to showcase their capabilities. And the webinar was conducted in memory of our late practitioners. The Unani physicians who have died suffering from COVID-19, and they got contracted this COVID-19 while serving the COVID-19 victims. And after then, we have distributed the posthumous award among them. And the record of our digital activities is updated on our YouTube channel. That's FUMO Medivision. We have also conducted a series of medical camps for the flash flood affected victims. As we all know that the Hyderabad has faced another tragedy with the flood. So we have provided free on-site consultation, free teleconsultation, and free distribution of medicines among the victims. So we have conducted the camps at various areas of Hyderabad, where even the students was able to get the learning platform. Recently, we have been called upon by the NCC officers to introduce the Unani system of medicine to the NCC candidates. So there we have conducted a seminar where the NCC candidates have been gathered from the various states of India. So we have introduced our Unani system to them. So with this, I would like to conclude my words with the hope of taking upcoming projects actively. And please be connected till the end of this webinar. Hope you all will be benefited, inshallah. Jazakallahu khairan.